Good afternoon everyone, Innovative Novel. First of all, I introduce myself. I am Kavita Guru, basic level social teacher as well as the coordinator of this school. First, I will welcome to our YouTube channel and I will request our viewers, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like, comment and share, and don't forget to press our bell icon. Now I am going to class 1, things we learn at school. Today day 4, social online class 1. The topic is things we learn at school. Now first I will introduction about school. School is the second home where we do different types of activities. We learn many things at school. We also go to school for study and had lots of fun, etc. Now we are talking about things we learn at school. We are learn lots of things at school. First, at school we learn and write. The second point, at school we learn draw and paint pictures. The third is, at school we learn to do sums. 4 point, at school we learn to do craft works. 5th point, at school we learn to play games. And 6th point, at school we learn to share and care each other. And 7th point, at school we learn discipline and good manners. In our school, at morning 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. we do different types of activities. Like in the morning we can came to school, we can do, so firstly we can do, the first activity is we can do assembly. Now we are the second what we are doing, we are learn and write different types of subjects like Nepali, English, science, social, math, etc. Then we are draw different types of pictures in our extra activity periods. We are drawing periods, we are extra activity period, we can draw different types of picture, class 1 up to 6. And we also do sum. We have also extra classes for sum like abacus and math classes. Extra math classes also we can do in our school. And the craft work also we can do in our extra activity period. Extra activity periods, that means we can between at least 45 minutes the time we have do craft works. We can do different type of craft works like paper work, like mud work, lots of things is there. And we learn to play in a school. We learn to play different types of games like karate, like volleyball, basketball, cricket, etc. Now we have the most important thing we are learn at school, sharing and caring. We must be learn about sharing and caring. Sharing and caring is the most important part of our school life and at school. If we share and care with our friends, with our teachers, that is the good manner. That is the part of good manners. And we can, for example, we can share our tiffin lunch box, we can share our things, we can share our belongings with our friends. At school, we learn discipline. The most important thing is discipline and good manner. We can learn good manners like we can greeting our teachers, we can greeting our staff, we can greeting our parents, we can greeting our school staff also, like our teachers, principals, our gardener, watchmen, our drivers, and also our cleaners. Now next things we learn about school. The thing is rules to remember at school. We don't forget the rules of schools. The first is we must go to school on time. Second, we must neat and clean. Third, we must keep our school clean. We must be friends with everyone. We also not fight with them. We wear clean uniform at school. We must clean our classroom. We respect our teachers and school staff. Okay, first we must go to school on time. We must be punctual on school. That is our good manner, and that is also our school rules. Those are not punctual, those are not to be on a time. They always be get late. Always be they doing work late. So we always be punctual, we always be on time. The first is we always go to school on time. That is also our school rules. The second is we must be clean and neat and clean. We must be wear neat and clean uniform. That is our hygiene, like personal hygiene. We cut our nails, we comb our hairs, we wear neat and clean dress, well pressed dress. We polish our shoes. We brush our teeth. We wash our face. We must not totally. We take our hygiene clean and neat and clean. Now the third point is we must to keep our school clean. That is the third point. Our rules, in our rules, we must. That is our responsibility to clean our school. That is our responsibility, and that is our duty to must be clean our school. Well, we can, for example, we can throw our waste on a dustbin. We cannot tear papers. We cannot throw paper balls here and there. We must be follow the school rules. We must be clean our school also. The fourth point is we must be make friends. We must be make friends, and we must also be a good with our friends. We don't fight with each other, because the friends always help us, and also we are helps to our friends. Then we wear clean uniform. Yes, the school have a uniform. The school have a uniform. The school gives us. The school have a uniform. So all students look like same, because the uniform is very important for every school. So we must be wear a proper uniform. To came to school. Then we must be clean our classroom. Yes, classroom is the place where we read, where we write, where we learn the many things. So that is our responsibility to clean our classroom. That is our duty to must be take care of things that are in a classroom. So that is the most important thing, to be clean our classroom. Now the second point is we respect our teachers and school staff, because yes, we respect our school teachers and school staff because they makes our school better, because they are the members who makes our school better. The teachers teaches us. They are our God. They are our God. So we have the our duty to respect them. And school staff is also our school members. They are helps to our school make clean, make security, make good services. That is are important for our school. So we respect them. Homework for class 1. Class 1, please write your homework. The first question is, write a short paragraph about your school. Write a short paragraph about your school. Question number 2, write any 5 things that you learn at school. Write any 5 things that you learn at school. And the question number 3, draw a beautiful picture of your school and color it. draw a beautiful picture of your school and color it. Okay, class 1. The question number 1. Write about your school. Write a short paragraph about your school. What will you write in your paragraph about your school? Like you write the school name, how many students are there, how many buses are there, how many classes are there, how many teachers are there, how many staff members are there, and what word they are. Okay, you can write in your paragraph. You can write your school name, how many classes, how many buses, how many teachers, how many school staff, how many students are there, and also how many students in your class. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I think you understand what I teach today, and I hope you are safe at home. You can read again, you can learn again this topic at home, and you can send the homework in my messenger or school messenger. Thank you.